How to download and install Loom app on your Mac. So there are two ways how you can do it. You can open your Loom account and in left down corner area you can click on Get Started, and if this window will pop up you can click on Download the desktop app here. Another way how you can do it is to just go to loom.com, download window, and here you can also download the desktop app. So I'm gonna do it here from my profile. You can click on download desktop app and choose the chip which you have. I have the M chip. Save it to your computer, wait until it's downloaded. Now you can open this downloaded file and proceed the installation. I'm gonna grab Loom to applications, open applications, and here should be Loom. Simply open Loom app, and that's how you can get it, download it, and install it on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.